Hi everyone! I am putting up these random pictures and videos of work that my partner does. He is so incredible with building fires, and these are like two-story fires with his excavator. They're huge. And all the different things that he does. And I have been encouraging him to get a YouTube channel happening, and he has incredible footage. So I am putting it out there for you, our followers, to please make a comment to encourage him to put his video up. I cannot tell you how good the videos are he's shot, and he's been sitting on them for almost a year. It's making me crazy, and I know you would love to see them. So subscribe and make a comment so I can show him he needs to press the button and get over whatever fear it is that he has about getting a video up. His work is fantastic. So subscribe and let me know. Thank you. Have a fabulous day and enjoy the video. This one, he is dredging our pond with the excavator, and it's amazing to watch. I just can't tell you how amazing it is. And he pulls all the debris out of this pond. So subscribe, and hopefully if enough people respond to this, he will get the message and you guys will get some killer videos. See you soon.